Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Network Manager on Linux. But keep in mind, not all of Linux distributions are using Network Manager. If you are using, for example, Ubuntu, you are using something that is called NetPlan. And on some other Linux distributions, you are going to deal with your network interfaces directly, like in old times. And in this particular example, I am using Manjaro that is based on Arch Linux. And if you want to check status of your network manager, you are going to type systemctl status network manager, type in your password, and you are going to see the result. So my network manager is enabled. Now, in order to interact with network manager, we are going to use program nmcli. And first thing that I want to show you is command connection show in order to see information about our present connection. And you see my device WLP2S0 is connected to this network. And if you want to see all of neighboring network that you could connect to, you are going to use another command with nmcli device Wi-Fi list. And here you are going to see a bunch of different networks. And now, if you want to connect to some of these networks, you are going to use another command with nmcli device Wi-Fi connect. I'm going to connect to this network. And provide password like this. All right, now I'm going to run connection show. Okay, so we are connected. Now, if you just want to disconnect from this network without connecting to some other network, you are going to use nmcli device disconnect, and at the end provide a name of your interface. So this is WLP2S0. And now if we run connection show, you see that we are not connected to any of these networks. And not only that, with nmcli command radio Wi-Fi off, we are going to turn off our Wi-Fi adapter. Alright, now if I run something like connection show, no, sorry, not connection show, I meant something else. Radio Wi-Fi on, we are going to turn on our Wi-Fi. And for example, if you run nmcli connection delete, and let's say this option is going to delete network with this name. So I'm not going to execute this. And another way to connect to some network that you have been connected previously is to use nmcli connection up and network name. Like this. Not IP up. Typo. All right, and I'm going to run again nmcli connection show, and as you see, we are connected back to our previous network. Okay, if you understand this part, I'm going to clear my screen, and now I'm going to show you how to edit your connections. I'm going to use nmcli, of course, connection edit, and I'm going to edit connection that I'm connected at the moment. All right, now if you type help, you're going to see all of available options. So first thing that I want to do, I want to print all of options from my connection. And from this point on, you could do all sorts of things. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to set static IP address for this connection. Okay, for the moment I'm going to quit. Okay, and I'm going to run if config, and you see that I'm connected through this address 192.168.0.24, and let's say that I want static IP address to be 111 at the end. So I'm going to run nmcli connection edit, and the name of my connection once again. I'm going to print all of settings, and what we need to do is to deal with this IPv4 method and IPv4 address. So in order to change some of these settings, we are going to copy this, and I'm going to use command set paste. First of all, for method I want to set value of manual, okay, and I want to set address. Copy, set IP address to 192.168.0.111. Okay, and now I'm going to print help once again. So what we should do now? First we have to verify these changes, then we have to save these changes, and then we have to activate our connection with new settings. So as I said, verify, then save, and at the end activate. Now I'm just going to quit. Okay, and I'm going to run if config once again, and you see my address is 192.168.0.111. Okay, I'm going to get back to settings in order to show you how to reverse those settings. Okay, print it once again. Now we should use command remove for IP addresses. So remove IP addresses. Okay, I'm going to print all of these options again, and you see now we don't have IP addresses, and our IPv4 method is reversed to auto. So now verify, save, and activate. Okay, we can quit now, and once again if config, and we are back to our previous settings, so 192.168.0.24. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you have learned something interesting, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!